Hello everyone, my name is Avnil Dasgupta and welcome into the Meteora weather service. Let's take a brief outlook of Pan India for the next 3 days. According to the latest satellite condition, we can see that a western disturbance has already entered into the North India, especially Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh region. So that for that reason, we can expect snowfall, heavy snowfall, and heavy rainfall on that parts. Also, we can expect for the western disturbance in upcoming days, thunderstorm activity on New Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, and some western Uttar Pradesh area. And also we can see an anticyclone present on the Bay of Bengal and also an anticyclone present on the Arabian Sea. For that reason, the heat was gradually heating up on the Konkan coast. And let's take a brief outlook for the next slide, what we can expect. On to the next slide, on the North India condition, we can see that already thunderstorm activity has already happening on Himachal Pradesh, Chandigarh and its area. Especially for Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh region, we can see that there is a very snowfall possibilities on that region. For that region, all the travelers are requested to careful for that for the next 3 days. And also we can expect some landslide on that region because it's a hilly area. According next to about that, some parts of Chandigarh, West Uttar Pradesh, New Delhi and Punjab will also get isolated to scattered thunderstorm on that parts. Let's next slide. And next 3 days, what we can expect on the major cities like Delhi, Srinagar, Shimla, Lucknow, Jaipur and Bhopal. We can see that for Delhi it's 30 degrees Celsius maximum and 15 minimum. For Srinagar is 4 degrees Celsius maximum and 0 degree minimum with thunderstorm possibilities. For Shimla is 13 degrees Celsius maximum and 2 degree minimum. And thunderstorm possibilities also happening there. For Lucknow is 28 degrees Celsius maximum and 14 degree minimum with sunny condition. And for Jaipur is 30 degrees Celsius maximum and 16 degree minimum. And also Bhopal is like the same with sunny and partly cloudy condition. Next, on the next slide, we can see what we can expect on the South India condition. The South India is not actually South India. There is also a presence of Central India, and here is the major outlook was that we can see a Konkan coast what is gradually heating up, and we can see that temperature rises up to 40 to 42 degrees Celsius there. And also that some parts of the Kerala and Madurai, Thanjavur and Gudalore, also Chennai will have some isolated scattered thunderstorm possibilities on the next 3 days. Other than that, there is no chances of any thunderstorm on South India on major parts. For the next 3 days, overall city condition on the Machilipatnam is 35 degrees Celsius max and 22 degrees Celsius minimum with isolated partly cloudy condition. For Madurai, it's isolated scattered condition with 35 degrees Celsius max and 22 degrees Celsius minimum. For Cuttack, it is a sunny condition with 30 degrees Celsius max and 21 degrees Celsius minimum. For Kochi, it's 37 degrees Celsius max. It's a very above normal temperature for Kochi. For Mumbai, it's 41 degrees Celsius max. So it's also a very above normal condition for Mumbai. And for Panaji, 38 degrees Celsius max. It's also above normal condition for Goa, and 22 degrees Celsius minimum for all the 3 parts of Kochi, Mumbai and Panaji. On to the next slide, what we can expect on the East India condition. We can see that Arunachal Pradesh will have a isolated thunderstorm possibilities because circulation present over Tibet area. Besides that, the other parts of the Northeast India will dry, and some fog condition we can see that Shillong, Silchar, Imphal, Dimapur or Jorhat will have a dense isolated light to moderate fog or hazy condition over Northeast India. Besides that, there is no chances of scattered light rainfall in any parts besides Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Besides that, what you can expect on East India, Kolkata, Patna, Ranchi, Guwahati, Imphal and Gangtok. The sunny condition will happening over Kolkata, Patna, Ranchi and Guwahati, but some isolated light condition will happen for the Gangtok for next 3 days, where we can expect 18 degrees Celsius max and 5 degree minimum. For Imphal, it's 28 degrees Celsius max and 11 degree minimum. For Guwahati, is 27 degrees Celsius max and 30 degree minimum. For Ranchi is 29 degree max. For Patna is also 28, and for Kolkata is also 30 degrees Celsius max with sunny condition. On the next slide, what we can see that the temperature outlook for the next 3 days, and we can see that the North India parts are not heating up, but we can see that Konkan side which will gradually increases like 40 to 42 degrees Celsius was temperature for the next 3 days on the Mumbai and Maharashtra region. Besides that, the Bengaluru will have the minimum temperature of 15 to 17 degrees Celsius, and Kolkata, Dhanbad, Patna will also have the same minimum degree temperature. But on the central India, we can expect that 22 to 25 degrees Celsius as minimum temperature and 40 to 42 degrees Celsius as maximum temperature. So it's the major outlook for the temperature outlook. And next look at take lowest minimum temperature recorded for the last 24 hours in pan India, and where is the first position holding up about the Padam, where it is minus 16.9, and second is Naoma minus 16.4, third is Dras minus 16.1, fourth is Tangsten minus 11.5 degree, and fifth is Keelong minus 9.7 degrees, sixth is Numo with minus 9.5 degrees, seventh is Leh with minus 9.5 degree, and 8th, 9th and 10th are Utsi, Kiru and Yokohama with minus 9.2, minus 9 and minus 7.9 degrees Celsius. On the next slide, what we can expect that next 3 days rainfall condition, we can expect the light rain condition over Rajasthan, some parts of Rajasthan, Chandigarh, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi and some parts of Uttar Pradesh. But we can see heavy rainfall because of the western disturbance on Jammu Kashmir area, Leh Ladakh area, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand with some snowfall possibilities. And also we can expect some moderate rain to a light rainfall on Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim and some parts of Darjeeling of North Bengal area. And also we can see that Lakshadweep and Andaman will also have a scattered to light rainfall possibilities. And the major weather outlook are the heavy rainfall possibilities over the North India, especially Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir region. And also we can see thunderstorm possibilities over Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Chandigarh and Delhi. On the next slide, we can see that Prayagraj and for the Kumbh, its Kumbh is gradually ending up, and 26th February is the last day for Kumbh. So what we can expect on Tuesday and Wednesday weather of the Kumbh. So for Tuesday is maximum 30 degrees Celsius for Prayagraj and minus 13 and 13 degrees Celsius is minimum temperature. But for Wednesday, the last day of Kumbh, we can expect 32 degrees Celsius as maximum and minimum is 15 degrees Celsius. So we can see that the Kumbh Mela was ending happily, and you can expect comfortable weather there with some mostly clear skies, and chilly winter night condition is expected on Prayagraj, especially Kumbh area. On to the next slide. No slides. So thank you for showing, thank you for being here, and follow our YouTube channel and subscribe our bell icon for more videos.